The candidates for the best player of the conference, Nelson the Bull Asay Tono.
Offensive cannons working.
If that isn't wild air, I don't know what is tonight. Nelson the Bull Asay Tono.
Vito starting his grind. Difficult layup.
Yeah.
Oh boy! Boy, oh boy, oh boy. How do you spell power? Watch this. Just didn't go in, but this is awesome. He timed that perfectly.
Labas niya na, hinabot niya na si Asay Tono! Dinipit ang bola at ikinago ng konti sa balakang ay ikinago. Ito, katulad nito, itatago ang bola. Naku, napakahirap niya. Huwag niyong gagayahin at baka magkapilipilipit kayo.
Championship, their only championship for this year.
Yes!
Nelson really comes up with ferocious dunks though.
Binigay kay Asay Tono! Oh my goodness! Ikaw na ang tahol!
Uy, ganda!
Ganda ng paso.
Pinaniwa pa rin Nelson Asay Tono.
May kasama pang foul!
Silip.
Sabi ko na nga ba, kaya tatabihin mo eh.
Pero ayoko.
Ay, nako!
Kahit anong sili, ganyan po kaanghang ang ginagawa.
Alam mo,
Si Nelson Asay Tono.
Sa San Miguel here, Nelson Asay Tono challenging Nick Velasco. Tatawagan ng foul si Velasco. And it's going to be
Si Nelson siguro na yung panahon niya.
Laro pagka talagang relax ka. Katulad naman ito Hindi mo malaman kung saan ginuha ni Nelson Asay Tono yung tira-tira ni Nelson Asay Tono na kinuha sa balakang. Ayan, bahala na.
Almost lose it to the sideline, but there's Alsolis the handoff to Nelson Asay Tono.
There you see the inexperience of Delantes trying to challenge.
Nakakuha ng bola. Anong tira yun? At by Nelson Asay Tono against Gumrich. Anong tira yun ni Nelson Asay Tono?
He is all red.
Nelson Asay Tono. Ganda naman ang pasa ni
Team here. Once again, it comes from the point position. Johnny Barrientos, and that time Nelson goes right through three people, up, over, and in.
De La Cruz to Asay Tono. Asay Tono 3 against 1. Asay Tono. Nagbaling sa Friday. Ito si Asay Tono. Inilagay ang bola. Panel ni Asay Tono. Mukhang gustong maging wide to get up. Asay Tono. Across the midcourt line. Asay Tono ang rebound. Umupo kay Velasco. Tumira si Asay Tono. Inangatan niya si Velasco, linusagan si Velasco. Pasok mga kaibigan. What a shot by Nelson Asay Tono. 25-footer here by Nelson Asay Tono. To beat the third quarter. Bigatise kay Asay Tono. Yes, pumasok. Double cut. The shot. That will come. Kasama niya. Clearly. Pasok yun. Asay Tono. Hirap na tira. Parang yung pinapasa niya muna sa mga pansin bola sa kanya tinira.
At saka ano sabi mo, depensa kay Strong.
A cut inside, Nelson Asay Tono is in there.
Here's Nelson Asay Tono. One-handed drive.
Yes, and one. Put up this time with Nelson going all the way down. Bachman a little bit late coming in. Nelson able to control the ball, hang up in the...
Muna ng San Miguel. Binigay kay Asay Tono. Asay Tono. By play. At dito makikita mo yung combination ng kupunan ng San Miguel.
Hindi na nakascore ang San Miguel. Asay Tono nakakita ng konting buwang, nilusob ang depensa, and what a move from the ball. Asay Tono looks up at the clock, 3 seconds in reach, 3-point shot, patay!
Asay Tono umingin. Hindi pa.
Binagong tira! 17 points dito sa quarter na ito.
He deserved it. He initiated the steal. There's a good play here for Nelson Asay Tono. Began to take charge on the one-on-one. Stayed with the start.
Asay Tono snarled in traffic, but gets a basket.
Correct. Tulad niya, inaabangan na niya yung right ni Fred na.
Nelson Asay Tono.
Uli ng San Miguel. San Miguel is attacking. Ito si Asay Tono. Runaway play string. Problema talaga yung depensa. Pag tignan po natin.
To Asay Tono. One-handed slam dunk by Nelson. Pass to Asay Tono. 6 points in a row. Trouble. He decides to shoot for time.
Asay Tono inilabag ang bola sa harap. Nilulig ang team.
defenses, who was like a house on fire there, has really tapered down, but Asaytono does not give up.
Shot clock reads 6. Meneses gains rule. Asaytono with a reverse and a foul to boot.
To Balingit or Nelson, he makes the correct choice here with Nelson, and Nelson just goes up over two people.
Asaytono. Power play again, man.
Miguel Beer, binigay kay Nelson Asaytono. Still Dwight Lago watching him. I didn't explain that. Ito one of the rare times nakita natin tumakbo ang San Miguel at nakita ni Olsen na meron silang advantage.
Dalawang tira. Open si Asaytono. Asaytono finishing with a foul from JV Gayoso. Napilitang ipasok si Paul Alvarez. Ito si Asaytono against Aquino. Sinakyan na. Nakita mo naman.
Those are good games coming up, you know, and working.
The way Santa Lucia has been playing is the fact that they've been only using about 8 players per ball game. A little slower than the first half. That's why they're not getting good shots. Asaytono powering himself.
Pero yung laro ng basketball kailangan may depensa rin. Katulad niya, kung makakatira ng mga layup na gano'n, unmolested. May problema kung si Nelson. Pwede niya itinukod yung kamay niya. Ito si Nelson at si Marlo Aquino. Alam ni Nelson.
Nelson Asaytono. Oh, one-hander of a ball fake and then he went in.
Friday pala, hindi nakakala sa San Miguel Beer. Asaytono, another 3-point shot. Yes! At don't forget, kay Nelson Asaytono, and all of a sudden, it's a tie game. Asaytono, binoling yung pasa kay Rosella. Panton, bakit ito ginamit ko? Binoling ka. Hindi naman lofting ang tawag. 4-on-2. Nelson Asaytono, complete. Pero Alvarillo, look at this. What a shot. Asaytono looking the hand, and pinili ko tina. Asaytono, itinuloy ang kanyang pagiging top scorer of the league. May foul doon, hindi binigay ni Ralayo. Lalabas na ang bola. They're not aware of the situation.
On to Nelson Asaytono. He backs up against Hawkins. It works. Hawkins hoping for a charge.
Nagkakaroon rin ng puto sila. Ito si Nelson Asaytono. Sumukot na ilalim. Pero sinusubukan niya subugin sila. Dito mo hahanapin ang alam ng hindi.
One back, hindi 100%.